In the absence of Team Mohammed, who did not turn up at the track due to electrical issues with both of their GTRs, Jaisingh and his S&D performance-powered machine were unmatched in their exploits to win the unlimited category. In a solo run, Jaisingh clocked 8.74 seconds and even defeated Trans-Pacific Alteza in an exhibition run early in the day. Ramiz Mohammed and Alteza won the 9-second class. Another thrilling encounter was Damien Prasad, the son of Sean Prasad, reeling in Peter Darby's Supra late at the line. The Supra, which was driven by Rafael Perez, got an early lead, but Prasad kept on the gas to pip him at the line and clocked 10.459 seconds. It proved to be the biggest thrill of the day, which had Sean jumping in jubilation, and more so, it gave the fans who were disappointed over the absence of the GTRs something to remember. In a chat at Newsroom Sport, Sean first stated his disappointment that Team Mohammeds could not compete, but said he was still happy to treat the fans.
I was really disappointed they couldn't come out and show their opponent, you know what I mean? And it would have been a great show. The Alteza, we certainly scored with them. And Damien come out well as well, good as well. So it was a good day for the shop. And we're looking forward to doing better next time we come out. And the fans get a good show.
How happy are you? I saw you were jumping there.
Yeah.
Give me everything.
I never know I could have jumped so high before.
And finally, how impressed are you with Damien? It seems that you were taking a back seat.
Yeah, because it was a lot for me to do, so I stepped back from the driving and gave Damien a chance to take a shot at him.
Additionally, Suriname's Michael Namchan lost the 11-second title race to O'Neal Higgins and his Toyota Caldina after he jumped the line, but he managed to beat Damien in the 10-second final to clock a time of 10.815 seconds with his RX-7. The 12-second title went to Suriname's Raymond John and his turbocharged Toyota Chaser, while the 13th went to Pierre Singh and his Alteza. Other winners were Mahendra Singh of Suriname in the 14th, San Sisitan in the 15th, Umesh Prasad in the 16th, Raj Pandey in the ATV, and Mark Menes in the motorbikes. The focus now shifts to the Grand Circuit meet at South Dakota on November 16th and 17th, where drivers from overseas will be competing. For the newsroom, Akeem Greene.